Hi. In this video, we will see the main concept in MPI, which is communications. So let's start with simple point-to-point communication. So in point-to-point communication, a process communicates with a single process, and we have MPI send and MPI receive functions which are used in point-to-point communications. These are blocking calls and do not return until the operation is complete. So before seeing a program, let's see about MPI send and MPI receive functions and what their arguments are. MPI send. You can see that it has many arguments, but these arguments are common to most of the communication functions. Once we see a few examples, we'll get used to that. In MPI send, the first argument is a pointer to the data that we are trying to send. The second argument is count, size of the data. If it's an array, it's the size of an array. The third argument is data type. What data type are we trying to send? So if it's end, in MPI, we show it as MPI underscore end. The fourth argument is destination. This is nothing but the rank of the process that we are trying to send the data to. The fifth argument is tag. If you are trying to send multiple messages, tag helps differentiate between messages. And the final argument is communicator. MPI creates a default communicator called MPI convert. So we are using the default communicator. So that is the name of the communicator. So where the process are present. And now you can see MPI receive, it's mostly similar. First argument, we give a pointer to our buffer which can hold the data and count size of the data that we are trying to receive. What is the data type of the data that we are trying to receive, and who is the sender of this data, and the tag coming where the processes are present. The final argument is MPI status. Using status is not necessary, but when we use status, we can find additional information like rank of the sender, what is the tag, and what is the count of the elements sent. So now let's see a program. Link to the source is in the comment below. So here we have a sample program. First, we initialize the environment, and each process finds its rank. And now, as is a program for send and receive, we want the size of the world to be at least 2. What we are trying to do is that process with rank 0 will send the data, and process with rank 1 will try to receive the data. Let's see. So MPI send. First, in the variable number, we have the data, and we are giving the reference to that, and count. As it's a single data variable, it's just one of data type int, and we're trying to send it to process with rank 1. Tag, we can have any tag 0, and all of these are present in MPI convert communicator. In process with rank 1, it goes to the else condition as its rank is 1, and it tries to receive the data. Here we have created a number variable which is not initialized and which is used as a buffer to receive the data, and we are receiving one variable, data type int, and we are receiving it from process 0 and tag 0, and everything is present in MPI convert communicator. And for now we are ignoring the status, so we use the MPI tag MPI status ignore, and as soon as process 1 receives the data, it prints it, and we are done with the program. So now let's compile the program. So as you can see, process 0 has sent data -1, and process 1 has received the data in the number variable and has printed it. Apart from this, we can use MPI wildcard parameters like MPI any tag, so that we can receive data with any tag, and MPI any source, so that we can receive data from any source. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. See you guys later. Peace.